8 or 10 new use cases that are emerging, which will be big markets. And that's where I think they're missing. There's a big aspect that's missing in OpenAI's story is they don't know what those use cases are going to be. AI agent is too general.
Where they're going to get the money, right? I mean, if you ask.
I mean, so far they have been quite
QQ's
successful.
closing the gap.
So far they have
Mm, it's
done
rolling.
very well. If you want the shares, I know somebody who'd be willing to get rid of them. CoreWeave shares getting hit today on a new convertible note deal. It's only a $2 billion deal, which I think,
Looks like we got
in this world of multi-trillions,
kind of a double
really moving the
top.
shares this hard. What's
Right.
going on with the
Dow,
CoreWeave story?
Well,
Dow 30
CoreWeave,
though.
I think being a
I don't like that
neocloud
rejection,
provider
but
right now,
Yeah,
it's a
that's a
bit
tough
hard
rejection on the 200
because
at the point.
you're betting that this
Yeah, it's probably
infrastructure
close.
boom
Yeah,
is going to
so that's a
last
good
at
thing.
least,
See
next
what
three to
happens
five
there.
years, and we will be supply constrained. I mean, it comes back to why Nvidia has been so successful in keeping up their margins because they're supply constrained. It's the same thing on the neocloud provider side. They're the ones who are getting the GPUs from Nvidia, and they can offer it to enterprise customers. And anytime the supply demand imbalance is solved for, that's when the neoclouds will be the first ones to suffer. Because the moment
You can get in.
as
I'm gonna
strong
try
as
to ride
the
that too.
hyperscalers who've got the
Let's see
data
what
and
happens.
applications, and
coming back into
the
the
market is still
ORB.
trying to figure out,
What's
what
that?
are the big
So it
use
looks like it's about
cases
to
and
pull back
whether
into
this
ORB.
AI boom will
Mm.
continue without an air pocket. So I think there will always be concerns around the neocloud providers because they don't have that sort of business model to sustain for the next 5, 10 years if the supply demand
And it came back
imbalance
up
is
Well,
solved.
it
quick.
is, right?
Yeah.
Because from Sinead Colton Grant's perspective, demand is still twice as much as it was
Which
before.
is great for neoclouds. I think you don't have to be worried as long as demand continues to outstrip supply. The moment it's more
It
imbalanced,
technically
that's
closed
when the
outside though.
neoclouds and the other
Technically.
chip makers, I think, are going to struggle.
Mandeep has been so fantastic. Thank you for joining us. Mandeep Singh of Bloomberg Intelligence. Coming up, Paramount gets hostile in the Warner Brothers bidding war. Our litigation expert from Bloomberg Intelligence is going to be joining next, a conversation you don't want to miss.
Trying QQ. Let's see what happens. See what happens.
I feel like I should took half. I just didn't want to because it was $15.
Oh yeah.
I should have just took it. I mean,
I'd wait on 15. Wasn't it 100 at that point last week?
that right there was 100 something. But I'm talking about I got on the
Oh,
Nas.
oh, on the down to the downside.
Mm,
Oh yeah, yeah. This is what it looks like. So it's showing a trend on the
it's
30
definitely showing
minute.
the
Yeah,
trend, yeah. And again,
3 touches, 1, 2, 3. So
and again, all last week
Your stories of
it
capital
was
markets, economics,
struggling to go down, but we are close to all-time highs. That's the other thing.
that's the other thing. Yeah, I was
Like,
concerned about.
if
Is
it
on. Everything you need to get the edge at the end of the market day. Get
is it
ahead
really
to
gonna make
Wall
an
Street
all-time
with
high
close.
again?
Weekdays
And if it,
only.
I mean, it's definitely possible,
Context
but
changes
I'm
every
just
day.
saying we
Yeah,
expect more liquidity.
Of global finance,
we
economics,
ate
and
up down
politics.
here.
And wherever newsmakers are moving markets. Bloomberg brings
We're
you
close to
news,
all-time highs, but I
market
think for Nasdaq, it's another $1,000 away.
You think the future
For
is
Dow
just
30, it's
too
another
perfectly normal? Are markets too
$500.
optimistic? How do you worry about the things that are outside your control? How does the current fighting completely stop? I'm Francie Lacroix, and this is The Pulse, every weekday only on Bloomberg. U.S. jobs numbers are released. Bloomberg has the report under surveillance with crucial data and expert analysis at terminal speed. Nobody covers jobs day like
Okay,
Bloomberg.
I'm not gonna lie. Just because Dow 30 is coming up kind of nasty,
Is it?
it's
Paramount
almost
has
back
been
up to
linked
Not
to
900.
really.
with an offer of
I
32
saw
cents
on
a
the 30
share
minutes. Still
My
in
pretty
whole
low.
cash after
whole
Netflix
battle
acquired
was
Us30.
around that
Donald
900 level.
Trump
All
voicing
last week,
concerns about
I
that
was
move,
trying to get
along
profit
with
from that
saying
900
Trump
level.
To the
isn't
up or to the
frequent
downside?
advertising
Mm-hmm.
for issues,
Yeah.
senior antitrust litigation
So
analyst
it being
from
back up there
Bloomberg
is not
Intelligence.
really
Jen, a couple things,
what I
all
want to
things
see.
out of the way.
So
For one, Trump saying the big merger between them could be a problem. And Paramount with their
Wow. It's really coming back into that ORB.
You talking about the DJ?
I'm talking about Nas.
No.
Really came back. I mean, now it's kind of it's on the. I don't know. Technically, we got 2 closes outside. But, mm-hmm. But the fact that DJ30's up though is like making me a little bit weirded out. Mm-hmm.
It's almost 7 o'clock. Most which way it goes. So.
It is almost 7.
Yeah.
Alright, I took half. $10. Dow 30 is my big one, but you know.
I got this one up by tomorrow.
That's it.
Yeah, QQ. Yeah.
Man.
I just hope it don't continue to drop today. Google's dropping, Tesla's dropping, Meta's dropping, so it might drop. But it's not at its all-time high. This one is.
It's not at its all-time high, but it getting there would be crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, it wouldn't be crazy. It wouldn't be crazy, but
it's far from its all-time high.
it's about 1,000 away, isn't it?
Oh, QQQ?
Isn't it about like 1,000 away?
Nah, it's $9 $10 away.
$10 away.
Yeah.
Yeah, pushing down though.
Because it hit that 15-minute bottom and it didn't really move too much.
But we do got.
It's about to clip across the 200 on the 5 minute.
We do got double wicks right here.
Oh, Nas?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he was popping out.
Double wicks. If it does break the all-time high, I would assume it would break it Wednesday.
Me?
After Powell says something crazy.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I would assume. If it does break all-time high. Also, I gotta take profit at 25,500. So that's about a couple $100 down. I probably won't make it that far though.
This
7 o'clock in 1 minute.
bringing you up-to-the-minute global economic news whenever and wherever it happens. I'm Nas100 in Florence, Italy, and this is Bloomberg.
cross at 50 on the 5 minutes, cross over 200. See how far it pushes down.
This is CBS News on the Hour, sponsored by Eggland's Best.
Mm.
I'm Deborah Rodriguez. We begin with developing news from the corporate world
Then
this morning.
Oracle,
Our parent company
Palantir,
here at CBS
AMD,
News, Paramount
Nvidia, and
Skydance,
Microsoft
has
are all
just
green.
launched a hostile takeover offer for Warner Brothers
Meta,
Discovery,
Tesla,
and
Google,
an
and Amazon and
all-cash
Apple are all
offer.
red.
It comes just days
It's
after
half
the
and
Those
half.
are bigger though, huh?
to sell its
They're
streaming
like half and
studio
half.
business.
Well,
Netflix
these
said
are the
streamers
red
sale
ones
was
are
worth almost
trillionaires.
$83
Mm.
billion, approved by both
Meta's a
boards.
trillion.
Paramount says it will
Microsoft's a
pay
trillion.
$30 a
Nvidia's a
share in
trillion.
cash, valuing the
Yeah.
company
The
at
bigger
around
ones are in red.
$180
Yeah.
billion.
Yeah.
Tesla,
Yet,
Meta, Amazon,
Paramount
Google.
says the Netflix deal would lead to a, quote, challenging regulatory approval process.
Okay.
President Trump posted to social media today insisting individual states should not come up with rules regulating artificial intelligence. CBS News legal analyst Thane Rosenbaum. Here is Thane Rosenbaum.
State attorneys general are charged with the consumer protection of the residents of their respective states, even if the federal government has its own regulations, such as environmental protection,
Tesla
drug
kind of does its
policies,
own shit though.
antitrust, and even firearms.
The White House says President Trump is planning to announce a $12 billion package for American farmers struggling to sell their crops because of tariffs. Many farmers have backed the president politically, but say some of his aggressive policies are hurting their ability to survive.
Come
Now,
on
the
now.
peace deal the president forged between Thailand and Cambodia in October apparently hasn't stopped deadly border skirmishes between the two.
Looks like it's coming back to OB. Retest or rejection is the question. Or push back in.
So civilians on both sides of the border are fleeing the conflict zone, piling their belongings and their families onto wagons pulled by tractors as each country's government accuses the other of starting it. Vicky Barker, CBS News, London. Oscar season has an early favorite. The Golden Globes announced on CBS this morning. One battle after another with Leonardo DiCaprio leads the race with 9. Sentimental Value and Sinners made it into the mix. Fandango's Eric Davis.
A ferociously original film. It's beloved by critics and audiences, crushed at the box office. This is exactly the kind of film you love to see show up big.
Big, snub, that is, for Wicked. It's not among Best Picture noms. This is CBS News.
Yeah. Shit. I forgot the fucking color. Yeah. What's that called again?
Divergent.
Divergence, yeah. Here. But it's pulling up here. See that shit?
Mm-hmm.
That one's plain as day. Yeah, that's an easy one.
Yeah, yeah. That's a bullish divergence.
Yeah. To this side, yeah.
Mm-hmm. What was that on 5 minute?
Yeah. If it was 45, you said. Sorry, cut.
It's coming back in, man. I kind of want to, since I already have down 30, I feel like I shouldn't play my luck too much. You know, because let's say it does go in my favor. I guess I'm only risking 25. I guess I could watch it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It broke the 5. I might as well give it some time to do something. I already took half out. You stop tripping.
It's a big divergence, though, man.
Yeah, but the 5 minute candle usually results in 5 minute, like,
Yeah.
If it's on like an hour candle or 4 hours, it gets scarier. But 5 minute, it can pull up for sure. But come back down there. Come back
This
down.
is Bloomberg Intelligence with Scarlet Fu and Paul Sweeney.
How do you think the Fed is looking at tariffs, the uncertainty of tariffs?
Let's take a look at the sectors and how they performed.
A lot of investors getting whipsawed every day by news events.
Breaking market headlines and corporate news from across the globe. Could we see a market disruption, a market event?
Are people just too exuberant out there?
You see some so-called low-quality stocks driving this short-term rally. Bloomberg Intelligence with Scarlet Fu and Paul Sweeney on Bloomberg Radio, YouTube, and Bloomberg Originals.
Good Monday morning from the Bloomberg Interactive Broker Studio in New York City to our worldwide audience. We are streaming live on YouTube. Check us out there. Search Bloomberg Podcast, and that's where you'll find us. Coming up today, we're talking to Jennifer Lee. She is the antitrust analyst for Bloomberg Intelligence, and boy, do we need to talk to her because this Warner Brothers discovery.
If you look at it at the 15, it looks more like a
Accepted an offer
The
from
Nas?
Netflix last week.
mm-hmm,
Now, Paramount
simple, just your regular retest.
Yeah.
But
a lot of folks think it's going to come down to regulatory risk.
if it closes back inside on the 15, I don't know. It might be GG's.
Okay, 8 minutes to do so.
Because also it's Sunday. I mean
7:06
Monday.
too.
I don't know why I keep saying Sunday. Monday.
And this Bloomberg Business Flash brought to you by IBKR. Will the average global temperature in 2025 be greater than 2.45 degrees Fahrenheit, above the 20th century average? At IBKR forecast trader, they guessed recently at 6%. Start predicting today at ibkr.com/forecast. The last trading day for this contract, January 9th, 2026. Well, Paul mentioned it. Let's get right to it. Warner Brothers Discovery shares on the rise. They're up about 6.5%.
You ever see that T-shirt that says WB on it for Warner Brothers?
Wait, I've seen the symbol.
WB for Warner Brothers. And they say you see the police.
Warner Bros. Oh yeah.
Saw that one?
I've heard that before. No, I don't think I've seen a T-shirt, but that's hard.
For about $9.3 billion, marking one of its largest takeovers yet. We have Confluent up about 28%. IBM shares.
Okay, this is my overall game plan.
And JP Morgan Chase's name Berkshire Hathaway.
If we can, let's say we have a good weekly bearish candle here this week, throughout the week.
Okay.
Let's say, I mean, you know, I can't predict that.
Mhm.
If it brings the whole market down and Ethereum gets around 28 again,
Mhm.
I'm hopping in Ethereum going long again.
Beat Ether, huh? See what Ether is doing. Long?
Mm-hmm. Hold it.
It's the what? 28?
28. It's down there.
Shit, yeah. That, you know, I can see it because
Triple.
that's a lot of liquidity down there.
Yeah, and it's
Yeah.
almost a triple bottom, but
Yeah.
it will be decently low leverage. I mean,
I can see it continue to come down.
but if you want to be back to work in January,
Mhm.
I need to do something, a longer trade, get my equity up before I start doing this ORB by myself. I can't. I mean, I could, but I feel like Ethereum, I could hold it longer and not have to do too much if it goes in my direction.
It looks like it's going to cross and reject it. Well, it's probably going to go up for a minute because it crossed it. It's generated across the on the 4 hour. Well, it's rejected at 200, so I don't know.
No, I think people were saying it's likely to go up to 3,600. But if it doesn't, and it goes back to 28, then it would be better for me to take it to that 3600. But
Yeah.
people are saying it's likely to hit that 3600 before it goes into the bear market.
Well, you got a closer chance of getting the 28 than 36 because it's rejected the 200 on the 4 hour.
Yeah. And it's gonna rely heavily on what Bitcoin does too. Like if Bitcoin can't move, then Ethereum not gonna be budging. It needs Bitcoin.
Could be a problem. And of course, we heard from Paramount as well, saying that they're offering to buy Warner Brothers Discovery for $30 a share in
I
tandem
think it
with
closed another
what Netflix was
on
offering.
Nasdaq. I think it
So,
closed another five.
looking at public market bets, because of course
Yeah.
there are odds
I think
for this. The
I got
question
on the
of
15
whether
over
Netflix
here.
can close the acquisition by
Should have did DJ
2026,
some.
those odds are now down to 23% from around
DJ's
60%
struggling, man.
Oh,
That
so
would
a
piss
lot
me
of
off
growth
because
here to go.
slow.
it's taking too long to
Facing a lot of
Mm-hmm.
challenges here, so we'll see how it goes.
do it.
All right, so we'll keep an eye on that one.
That's your cute,
Obviously,
cute, cute.
following the story, you're also looking at
Yeah, cute,
Tesla.
cute, cute.
Yeah,
Ugh.
Tesla today, those shares
My
are
cute, cute, cute on the 15 minute is still under the
RB.
at the moment.
yeah,
So
Mm-hmm.
latest news is that they did get
yeah.
downgraded, and what could stand to
Technically, I
support
should
the
have been in
analysts
it on the
downgrading
downside.
that share from equal weight, or
Cause this
rather
shit I'm
equal
moving.
weight from overweight, citing valuation concerns. Analysts saying that there are non-farm factors being priced into
I wrote
the
it
share
up for
price.
tomorrow.
Realistically though,
Other news for
I don't think
Tesla
it's
that's
gonna
looking
have a big
more
move
positive is
today.
the fact that
I
they're
mean,
going
Like
to return to appearance in the top 10 for one straight in Consumer Reports ranking. So this is a magazine. There's a lot of product testing, and then they come out with their
if
annual
it drops crazy, I would think it would have a big
last
move
year.
late in the
Tesla
week
was
because
mm,
it hasn't started going crazy.
that magazine saying that they're confident in the overall build quality, and the magazine calls unquote
it
steadfast
dropped.
operating system.
All right, IBM.
Look at IBM, that share doing well this morning. So ticker IBM shares up 1.4%, of course, because of news that they are going to acquire Confluent for about $9.3 billion. So Confluent, what they do is essentially it's the AI ecosystem. Is they provide a platform, right, for all these relevant data providers to basically all gather, and then companies can access the data in real time. So that's essentially what they do. So Michelin, for instance, uses Confluent to optimize their inventories of materials. Instacart uses Confluent so that they can figure out what their inventory looks like on their website. So pretty useful stuff for IBM to be acquired. Their biggest
Come on, break
acquisition
down.
since Red Hat in 2019. And Bloomberg Intelligence saying that that's going to complement their existing suite of products quite well. The multiple 9x forward 12-month value to sales. This is a reasonable premium for Confluent according to those sources. What do you think, Paul?
IBM stock is up 1% today. Stock's up 41% year to date. So they're doing all the right things this day. That's
Which
for
is
sure.
unusual given that it's the
Yes.
acquirer and you
Yep.
typically don't see the stock rise.
Yep. So the market likes it. Christina Keenan, thank you so much. We appreciate that. Christine is the managing editor for Markets Live. We move over just for more conversations like this. Subscribe to our stock movers report. Listen for 5-minute audio reports on the biggest winners and losers in the stock market. Subscribe to Stock Movers on Apple Podcast, Spotify, or anywhere you listen. All right, the Warner Brothers Discovery deal just got a little bit hotter here today. We have an over-the-top hostile bid from Paramount Skydance, whatever they're called these days. That is for the entirety of the company. This is going to come down to regulatory hurdles. That's going to be one of the key issues. So for that, we turn to Jen Reed. She
This
covers the
this
industry
shit came in perfectly.
intelligence. Jen,
Well,
what
yeah,
should
that
transpire
I was
Yeah.
saying the upside down circle was crazy.
a clearer path to
Literally
regulatory
filled it up crazy.
I think absolutely. I think Paramount has a far clearer path to approval. When you just think about them in terms of the streaming overlap, and when I talk about streaming, I am talking about a narrow market for just streaming services and not a broader market that might include YouTube. They are much smaller than Netflix, and so when you combine HBO Max with Paramount Plus versus combining HBO Max with Netflix, it creates far less of a problem. And looking across at the creation
Suspicious.
of original scripted content, let's say that's a market that the Department of Justice looks at. Again, the combination is smaller
Push
than the
down.
combination of Netflix with Warner. And then you have the added cable channels. So Paramount has cable channels, Warner has cable channels. Netflix would not be
Yeah,
viable.
it took
So
this
that
$2
is
move.
an issue that arises in the Paramount
Cupid,
situation,
but
not
I
Netflix.
didn't
But
want the $2
I
move,
think if there's
man.
any problem there, that's easily resolvable.
Okay,
Paramount is a
I
better buyer from an antitrust perspective.
I just got out the rest of my QQ on my Nasdaq.
Oh, yeah.
Um, yeah.
To the upside or downside? Downside?
Yeah, I got out of the downside move,
Okay.
and now I'm just holding the Dow 30.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. So it looks like it's gonna come down a little
Dow
bit
30
more.
is going to go to that 15.
But at any time it could flip.
Really, I should have broke even. Now I'm mad. Should have done a broke. Should have moved my stop to break even instead of getting out. You know.
In a profit?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are the next steps here? If I'm the board of Warner Brothers Discover, do I have to respond to this thing?
Well, it's a hostile takeover, so they're going against the board's wishes. Basically, we know what the board wants. The board seems to prefer
5.
Netflix, even with all the antitrust risk it brings. So now it's just
What
going
we
to
looking
depend on what
at here?
happens here as they go forward and they solicit the shareholders. I think the deal that would get done more quickly and has a surest path would be the Paramount deal. So if Warner's interested in getting something closed within the next year, I think Paramount would be the company that they'd go with. I don't see them getting a Netflix deal closed in the next year.
Let's talk about the politics part of this. Axios is reporting that Jared Kushner is helping to finance Paramount's bid for Warner Brothers Discovery, and that Axios is citing a regulatory filing on this Kushner financing bid. Does that put it in a better position because Larry Ellison has a good relationship with President Trump? Jared Kushner, the president's son-in-law, is involved here, even as Larry Ellison tells other media that he feels that the deal was inherently biased towards Netflix.
Well, I would say if things were conventionally done, then it shouldn't. It should be all about antitrust. It should be the analysis, the economists and their assessment of the markets and the impact on the markets. But in today's day and age, there is an impact from politics, and the administration does seem to kind of micromanage these decisions. And so I think politics is a significant factor here, right next to antitrust. And one, from what you just told me and what we've read, it seems Paramount's the favorite bidder by this administration as well.
Interesting. All right, we'll see what Netflix does in response. If anything, I don't know how that's.
Do they need to respond? Does Netflix need to do
They don't have to. They don't have to,
No.
but I suspect they will.
So the ball's in David Zaslav's court.
I think so. I think so. Antitrust stuff for Bloomberg Intelligence across all different industries. So she'll do healthcare, and then she'll do media, and then she'll do technology. But it's all about antitrust, Department of Justice, Federal Trade Commission. All these entities decide what deals can be done. This
Oh man. Man, you missed out on the weights today. What happened?
I was trying to set up my microphone.
Oh yeah. But you podcasting or you rapping?
Rapping. I mean, I feel like I could do either one.
What's that?
I feel like I could do podcast with it, but I can't even get it to work, bro. It's crazy. And
Podcast work with me.
no, I can't get the microphone to work.
Oh shit.
And it has this plug. Have you ever heard of XLR cable? Has this plug, and it has this little like clip to clip into the microphone. And I have it screwed onto this mount, which looks pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
And I can't unplug the thing because I'm trying to figure out, like, did I mess it up trying to yank it in the beginning? And I can't even get it undone from the cord. And it hurts my fingers.
Trying to pull it out.
Yes, because you have to press on this little metal thing
Oh.
because it latches on. And with the whole mound setup, it wasn't that hard when it wasn't on that mound. But I got it on the mound now. Dang, man, I don't like the look of this, man. It's coming back up. I want to take some partials. But I wanted to take some partials lower. Like, it couldn't get back in that 700 area. Talk about DJ. Mm-hmm. Up. Nas is still trying to fight. Nas is going down. Looks like it's going down. DJ's coming up, though. See what DJ's gonna do. Yeah, DJ hasn't even gone below the 15-minute ORB. I said, I don't even think DJ went below the 15-minute ORB yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Should kept my Nas in.
Markets, headlines, and breaking news 24 hours a day at Bloomberg.com, Bloomberg Television, and the Bloomberg Business app.
Nah, this is crazy.
From the Bloomberg Interactive Broker Studio, I'm Lisa Mateo. We have stocks. They're mixed. This as investors search for clues on next year's interest rate path. Morgan Stanley's Mike Wilson, well, he says U.S. equities face a quote bullish setup given expectations of Fed rate cuts and the outlook for improving earnings. We start with the Nasdaq. Little change, up about 8 points, but we look at the Dow down 0.1%. Same for the S&P 500. The 2-year yield 3.60%. That's up 4 basis points. The yield on the 10-year 4.18%, and that's up 4 basis points. Europe stock 600. Little change. Asian stocks advanced for its 5th day, and the Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index, that's up about 0.1%. Over to company news. L'Oreal doubling its stake in Galderma Group to 20%. We have L'Oreal shares are down about 2.5%. Galderma is up nearly 1% over in Zurich. Unilever spinoff. The Magnum ice cream company was valued lower than some analysts expected, and it's taking a permanent $14.22 an ounce.
Appreciate it, man.
Magnum also secondary listed in London and New York. Cheese tomato maker Pop-Tart in Japan
Nas is
was
still
found
going down.
losing over 6 weeks, down 8% in Hong Kong. That's after renewed
Look,
concern
man, bro, that shit the
consumer
wrong
sales
way for
growth
tomorrow,
momentum
man.
is
I'm gonna be
starting to
mad.
slow. For on-demand news,
Knew it was
24
gonna
hours a
close the
day,
gap.
subscribe to Bloomberg
Spy closed the gap first.
Business Flash. Scarlett Plum.
Nah, it's going down.
What's that?
I said it's going down pretty strong, but it's weird because Dow 30 went down first strong, and now it's not. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Nas went down afterwards, and it's following the rules a little bit better. I think I'm about to add another position on Dow 30 though.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
To which side? Down or up?
Down again.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna take partials. And then chill. See though, with the Nas,
$4, $3.
with the Nas, that would have been a good time to do a break even stop loss instead of taking the profit, you know?
Uh-huh.
Probably would have made an extra like,
You said break even stop loss?
yeah, you know what I mean? So you stick it pretty much at your entry.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you don't really lose nothing but your trade. I think how much down is $20?
that liquidity.
Double-digit, or double, huge as double-digit, but three double-digit return years. We think 2026 could also be good, and the reason for that
It's
is the
rolling.
tailwinds of strong earnings are going to continue. They've got a dovish
Yeah,
Fed.
the market never
We've got a
even
bottoming out in rally.
looked to go back the other
Expect
way.
on the slow end to be a
Mm-hmm.
tad higher for 2026.
So that broadening of the rally is what
I
some
mean,
investors have been looking
it's been
for to
up.
determine whether this
This is the other thing I was looking at.
So as they start into the small caps,
Show
I mean,
you.
they have seen so many false dawns, and oftentimes, they get a bit of a pop, and then it all comes crashing down again.
Yeah, I think that's a really interesting puzzle right now is what to do with small caps because I think
Look on the month.
there's a thinking of like when interest rates are falling, that's going to help smaller domestic companies in the U.S. It's time to buy small caps, which have really
We
lagged.
got
And
one,
I think
two,
it's a
three,
little bit
four,
more
five,
nuanced
six,
than that. When we're
7
looking at
green
small caps
candles
right now, it's
and the
interesting the ones that have really
doji for the
outperformed.
month
If you look at
candle.
just sort of the broad
Look, you pull back.
Russell 2000 as
Mm,
a benchmark,
and we
within
got
that benchmark, it's been the
this side
unprofitable
already
small
took
caps
out
that have outperformed
that
by
size
far.
high,
So
but
that does
not the
not make
all-time high
sense
for
going into
doji candle.
2026. So when
Now,
we're looking going
I've
forward
seen
for
this
22,
before.
it can make sense to
It could take,
own
it could easily take
small
out that
caps
doji
compared to
candle,
sort
and
of
it
the
could
broader
easily be a
index.
green,
And the
Yeah,
month.
yeah,
reason for
yeah.
that
But
is that we think the factors such as profitability,
since
such
this
as
already
good
taking out that side,
valuations,
I feel like we're
really
gonna see at least
raising
some,
the
at
absolute
least
value
1
of
or
the
2
small
weeks
cap market
in
and
the
Yeah.
continue
red.
to
Like
outperform in
this,
2026.
this is
And so I
7
think
months
catch
in a
up
row.
with some of those larger
That's
markets
crazy,
that
yeah.
have
Let me see how many.
Shit,
outperformed
8,
over the
really.
last couple of years. So
So
that's how we're looking at the small cap
we
market
got
right
one,
now.
two, three, four, five. One,
So,
two, three, four,
what are the
five.
sectors that are screening well for you right now,
One,
Terry?
two, three, four, five, six.
Well, and I mean it's interesting when we look at the
One, two, three,
past
four.
year. It's when I'm getting questions from pretty much anyone on the street about NVIDIA, that's
So
usually a
so
sign
far
that,
the most I've
yeah,
seen
just NVIDIA. And when we
in a
dissect the
row
S&P 500,
is
and
this
sure,
one.
NVIDIA has
One,
The
two.
last
made a
leg.
lot of gains
And
this
this is
year,
going back
but
to
there are at least
like
80 to
April.
100 stocks under
No, no, shit,
NVIDIA that
years.
outperformed
years,
NVIDIA
years.
year to
Mm.
date. So
We got months on
within
there.
the
One,
benchmarks, we think that there's ways to
one, two,
rotate
three,
and
4, 5, 6,
participate in
7.
gains,
No,
and
no, we
not
got
just
one
buy
more 7.
individual stocks within
This area right
in
there.
tech. We
One,
think
two,
it can be
three, four,
broader.
five, six,
We like
7. It
the
had a
dojis
doji
right
and it
now.
still
Think
went
the
up
yield curve
twice
can steepen
after
and
that
that's
doji
driving
in the
financials
red.
going forward.
What
We
month was
think
that?
that just general
What
rotation
month is
and
this?
broadening out,
Let me
making
see.
sure that you're not concentrated. I think the biggest risk going into 2026 is not necessarily that corporate
June
recession or
with the
even that
doji was
a
June.
flattish market. It's just holding on to
July,
yesterday's winners and not making
August
sure
is
that
the
you
2
have
after the
a
doji.
Mm.
broader
2021.
diversification away from the biggest names in tech, still hold tech, but into other sectors that have great fundamentals going forward, strong earnings.
So yeah.
Financials is one in particular that we think is interesting, profitable,
Yep.
low PE, small cap stocks can make sense going into 2026 as well.
All right, good stuff. Terry, really appreciate your joining us. Terry Spath is founder and CIO at Zuma Wealth, joining us from Malibu, California. One thing we didn't get to with Terry is the credit market. And of course,
And
we've
then on the
seen bond
hour,
yields, we've seen
Yeah.
spreads really, really tight
no wick on that.
as we've
Mm-hmm.
seen a lot more supply come into
Doesn't
the
give me
market
a
because
whole
of
lot
their
of
spending on
confidence
AI,
of
to
just
be
it,
even more
it going
spending
crazy
in
down
2026.
today. Cause
So
there's
Yeah.
no
let's
wick
bring
on
in
that.
right now Stephen Flynn. He's a senior credit
And
analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence. And
I
Stephen,
mean,
we
it
want
looks
to
like it's pushing
really
back up
dig
right
into
now. At least
Netflix
on the Dow
because
30.
Yeah.
as part of this bid
This
for
is
Warner
15
Brothers
minute.
Discovery, it's going to be getting a
It's just
$59
moving
billion bridge loan, the
turtle
biggest
shit.
This is
investment
the.
grade loan in a
It
while.
should be the
And of course,
ORB
that means
candle.
quickly
So
$1
we
billion
haven't
is
been.
by corporate
Oh,
debt as
yeah.
well. How do you think
Gotta
about
roll back.
if you don't
First, I want to start with
this
Netflix has a very strong credit. So Netflix has a significant market cap. It's $425 billion
No,
or
nothing
so.
like that.
The company is growing revenue, growing EBITDA, growing free cash flow. Its net leverage ratio
Yeah,
is
it's
very
slow
modest.
though.
It's 0.4
I think I'm
turns
gonna have to
of
reduce my Dow
leverage.
position
The company
because
generates a ton of free
I
cash
do.
flow. So Netflix is a very strong credit.
I'm
It's
not
rated
making enough bread at the
A3A, so
same
they have
time
the
though.
ability to borrow. So within that $50 billion that they have as acquisition debt, there's been reported that $25 billion will likely be bonds. The remainder will probably be a combination of term loans and maybe some other borrowing. And while
What's that,
25 billion
Nike?
sounds like a lot, if you think about Netflix
A
bonds in the
coffee
market
pot?
right now, they're relatively scarce,
Oh.
right? So Netflix is part of communications. You think about borrowers like AT&T, Verizon,
Here it comes,
Comcast,
man.
T-Mobile. Those companies have huge debt. It's a
Ah, this
large
girl.
part of some of the investment grade borrowers.
push-ups you did it the other night? 254 or some shit.
250. I think 254 is what I ended the 15 minutes at. I made sure I got 300 that day because
Really?
I feel like I gotta get 300 before I can try to get in the time frame. If I don't get to 300, okay. But I ended up doing like 321.
Yeah.
Then after that, I did 20 pull-ups. Then I hit another curl set.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your chest feel blow, your triceps feel
Huge.
swollen.
I was saying I'm in upper cup size. Like my chest got huge. No.
That shit get you, and then that's so much blood up to your triceps and shit.
I instantly swole up.
Yeah.
Instant.
How
That was
many?
just like it was like the other workout with the 10 bench presses back to back, the 10 10 10. Remember your spot me on that?
Yeah.
All those workouts you can tell me do, they instantly give me this.
Pump straight up, bro.
So I'm gonna keep doing that until I get that 300.
Yeah. People don't man them push-ups, man. They work. Like when I used to do, I got to a point where when I first go down, my first set, it'd be like 80 straight. Once you start hitting 80 straight, then you'll be like, okay.
That's what I was also thinking. The days that cause I was gonna try at least once every Saturday. The days I'm not doing, I need to up my first group.
The first, yeah.
Cause
You should actually, how do you do it?
I went like this. Thursday I was able to do 50 straight, right? And I was like, okay, up the group. When I was doing them last Saturday, I was thinking 40, cause I always do 40. 40, 30, 30. First 100 out in 5 minutes. But and then I always tell her like, give me 15 seconds in between, then let me know. No, and I'll start back in. But I need like 15 seconds, every time I do. So the first 40 low key cookie. The 15 seconds in between, I didn't realize. I don't remember how I did the very first time. And got the 15 seconds in between is not long.
Yeah.
So when I was trying to do the 30 afterwards, it was just like.
Let me tell you how I used to do it. Every time you do a push-up, you gotta go to failure. Every time you go down, like your first set, it's gotta be to failure. Your second set has to be to failure.
Why are you doing it in the 50-minute time frame or training for it?
Why you doing it? Failure. So when you first go down, like your first set down, boom.
Yeah.
You gotta be till you can't do no more. You can't. That's how I did it. Well, I couldn't do like 50 stop, 50 stop.
How much time did you get in between each set that you're doing?
I would do it before I got in the shower. Before when I would do like a double at work, so I couldn't go to the gym and work out. Our doubles at work were like full 8-hour shifts, so we had to do 16 hours a day. So I didn't have a chance to work out. So what I would do is turn on the shower, boom, straight down, hit like 80, take off my shirt, go straight down, boom, hit about 65, 70. That's already like 150. Close to
65 after 80 is crazy.
Boom. Take off my basketball shorts. Boom. Three. Go like that. Boom. Try to get close to 60, 70 if I can. Boom. That puts you at like 200.
Man, you already doing high numbers.
Yep. Take off my socks. Try to get like 50 something. Boom. Take off my other socks.
I'll never ever hit 70.
In the shop. Yeah. Once you start doing that, then you're like.
I don't understand how, because I'm doing 40, 50 seconds. It doesn't even seem like you're getting that much break time.
You won't get that much break time. You're not going to get that much break time.
I mean, I was to failure.
It has to go failure. You get to
not the first one. I wasn't doing that to the first one, but probably about after the first 120, I was only able to do 20 at a time.
Okay.
And I would go down to like 17. Had to take at least a second break and then hit the last 3 out, but I might try that.
Gotta go to failure. 70 to 80 failure. You can get 90. You good.
Cause
but my
I've been also doing keeping my elbows in.
Oh, okay, tricep.
Is that tricep?
Yeah, that's one of the
So wider is
chest.
texture.
Yeah. I gotta do like shoulder width, shoulder width apart.
Way better if you hold your triceps in on the bench press. Like your arm, elbows are on the bench press.
Every time you keep your elbows closer, it's your tricep. So when you spread your arms out a little further, it activates what your pec. The wider you go, the more you stretch your chest out.
Yeah.
But on the bench, you actually like when you come down on the flat bench, you actually like you're pulling this muscle out of the socket. So they want you to bring it in a little bit, but the wider you hold your grip, it widens out your chest.
Cause after the push-ups, I was probably doing like shoulder, and then kind of switching grip, but it's right here, like feels like my ribs.
Hurt or
yeah,
hurt?
Like sore.
Muscle.
Like
yeah. You go in so many reps, you're activating like all kind of muscles too.
Yeah, it feels like it's cause when you touch it, it's the area hurts, but it goes straight to rib. It's just my rib cage.
It's muscles are probably covering it. I did one time. I did the dips. I think I was probably like 19 or 20. I was about in college. I did. Did my homework. 100 dips straight.
I do feel like upping the numbers though is bringing me better results than before.
Those 10 sets, like 3 sets of 10, that don't do shit. Because if you think about it, like when you do push-ups, like some people do 3 sets of 10 and push-ups, so push-ups. When you first look at it, you're knocking out like 50, 60. Like, that's one set. They're done already. They must have been like activated. There's just so much blood and pump tearing up your muscle, putting it through your muscle. So if we did it, we get good. When I did those dips on 100 straight, I only did it one time. It felt like I was beat like a slave, man. My back was up for the next 2-3 days.
No, I believe it.
I was like, oh shit.
It's the same with those push-ups for me, man.
Yeah.
Like my ribs hurt.
Yeah.
Man, they really hurt. And it's like I don't even know how much it's been.
Yeah.
And my arms, now they feel good. I feel like a good workout like that, I need to do another set of like push-ups the next day, and then I feel like I healed better. Yeah, that makes sense. If it comes back down here, I'm gonna reduce it.
That's crazy. What you did from last week, so
Just like the last after Wednesday, it was just the same. It was just the same.
It's just
ORB just stayed in the range the whole time. It went from that 500 area to 8,000.
Yeah.
And it stayed in the range all day.
Yeah, this
all
is
day.
Wait a minute, what time is it?
This was like Tuesday. That was the move where I fell asleep and got stopped out. And it really, it gave you some opportunities. If you were higher leverage, when you're trying to take yourself, you could have made good money on a couple opportunities.
Mike, stop it. That's my tea.
Well, zoom out real quick, 'cause it looks like it should be some sort of time.
That's just Wednesday. So yeah, so it did move up. So if you were heavy, then you made that one. Other than that,
That's a huge move. $500 a day is regular. I mean, it's not super crazy, but that's a good move to catch.
Yeah.
But it's not like a super crazy workout though.
Look here. Got market session.
This is not like any pattern that you know. This has to be something.
Right here, pattern?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. It's kind of like.
I see 2 giant wicks in the middle, but I don't know. I don't know what it would be called.
I can't.
Yeah, I don't think I've seen that pattern before. But 2 weeks.
It's on the 15th too. Not bad.
Yeah.
About six. A big market call for Wall Street research veteran Edgar
It
Denny.
pushed
He's
up
now
pretty heavy
recommending
though.
underweighting the Magnificent Seven mega cap tech
Wait,
stocks versus
yeah.
the rest of the S&P 500. Let's go to the yield space. The two-year yield, 3.61%. That's up 4 basis points. The yield on the 10-year, 4.18%, and that's up about 5 basis points.
Definitely up
The
there
Bloomberg
now.
Dollar Spot
Yeah.
Index, that
For
strengthened
sure.
by about 0.1%.
No
Over
doubt.
to company news and
Okay,
Amazon
look at
has
this.
led an $81 million funding round
See
from
how this Head
Amazon.
and Shoulders, upside
Current,
down
that's
Head and
according to the
Shoulders
Wall
has that
Street
giant
Journal.
thing?
Current actually makes silicon
No,
solid-state
right
batteries
here.
for cars, and it's can provide longer range and
This
faster
would
charging
be
rates
the
than
shoulders,
existing
that's the
EV
head.
batteries.
Okay.
And but it still has that giant like
AI device maker
line there.
Limitless, as the company
This
shifts its
one.
focus
Yes,
completely from
even
the
though
metaverse
the
into
Head and Shoulders I was trying to call it the other day didn't work out,
Chevron,
but
CRH, Carvana, Comfort
this
Systems, and
line is
Brazil
like a
all
normal,
rallying after word that they're going to join the S&P
I don't
500,
know.
Okay.
trading on
Unless that's
from
too wide for Head
December
and Shoulders to be, but
22nd. And Boeing completed its acquisition of struggling U.S. aerospace supplier Spirit
I
AeroSystems.
kind of see what
It
you're saying,
shows
but
it as the
it would be
Boeing taking
probably more
3
like
units from its largest supplier that
kind
was
of
part of that
W.
agreement.
this
Airbus
has
acquired
to
a
be
handful of
W right
Spirit
there.
Right
assets
here.
as well. We look at Boeing shares
See
are
the
up more than
thing
2%. Airbus
there?
up about 0.6%. For on-demand news 24
I
hours a
always
day,
see it as a Head
subscribe
and
to
Shoulders
Bloomberg
thing.
News Now, wherever you get your podcasts like this one.
Yeah. I mean, if it
It's
was
a
just
pattern
this,
chart right here.
if it was just this, for sure W. And then Ethereum looks like a W. But when it comes out like this,
Yeah.
I don't know.
I would say this would be. This, I could see more of a hit shoulder here, head, and then another shoulder here. From right here,
Yeah,
head,
yeah.
head, and then the shoulder.
I can see that.
What do you think? Yeah.
I mean,
On a
yeah,
longer
that's pretty much you know, I'm looking at it, because that would be the end of the shoulder, so.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
Besides
right
this,
now, see it.
that's a big rejection. Yeah. Look.
Yeah, but I feel like I see these kind of situations in a lot of the Head and Shoulders patterns. That's why I was pointing that out a lot. I feel like I see those in a lot of Head and Shoulders.
Right here. Right here.
45
45
minutes.
minutes. It's a 45 minutes.
This one looks like the spot. Shoulder that they're gonna be.
Yeah.
I don't know. Something not good.
Yeah, it actually, this long whip came up here, hit this one, boop, and took it back down.
I wonder if that was news though. Or that was just ready to mark it up.
I don't know. I don't know if it's news because it's so like perfect. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
They put the news out like right here, and then it's tanks. I mean, so it had a lot of selling pressure here. Yeah. It's off here, go all the way down, and then it hit this. Remember this range right here? This is the one you're
That's quite
looking
the
at.
statement. In terms of how
Oh
rates
wow.
responded to this,
That's what I said. It's gonna go down. It's gonna go down, and it came down here. So it came right back later.
that was a perfect buy opportunity though. Like, it does so on me.
Yeah, because it came right here. Yeah, came down. I don't know how far it was gonna come down. It came down here. I remember I put that fucking arrow right there. It came down. And it rolled itself all the way down here.
Perfect buy opportunity. Like,
Let's see. Because it had crossed over. All of these had crossed the 200s. And then it crossed over our boost. This one came down double bottom. I didn't get right actually.
yeah, that's the thing. 530 in the indices is like, realistically, you want to be on buy. Like, you can make money on the sell, but realistically,
Yeah, on the bottom.
you want to be on buy. So you can do so much more. But
Well, I
and it
mean,
feels like the sales move faster. Like
they do. They drop
a
fast
week,
here.
giant move. A
They-
week, you need like 2 weeks on buy sometimes.
They drop fast.
Unless you get catch it down here, then it pops back up really quick. But if you're catching buys up here, it takes a while
Mm-hmm.
compared to the cell. Cause your catch a flies up here, they'll pop up just as fast. Like this
But
day, that's pretty fast.
yeah, that is. Yeah.
That's a lot of movement too.
Yeah. But you know, they fall like all this shit is under security clearance.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. So here, when it came up here and switched, I probably would have not right here switched position.
So that's the hard part. Like catching bees, you
Yeah.
have to be going against those indicators.
Hell yeah. Yeah. You would. Yeah. I would have. I would have probably would have caught that double five honestly. Yeah. I probably would have caught
I
that
would have
double.
probably caught it by taking the L from here, taking the L from here, taking the L from here,
Mm-hmm.
getting in here, catching it up to here, and now and then missing the rest of the movie. Like that's literally how it's been playing out from L
Yeah.
L L catch it here, only take crossing right here, miss out on one.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty bad. Pretty bad.
So once it hits here, you can ride it up. But once it gets above at least all four, I would ride it up for a while. That's
Mm.
how I would. Well, my contract don't stay that long, but
Yeah, I mean, I'll probably if I would try to take it up all the way to here. But I could just hold it.
just now, you know, then now seeing this all time high and shit again. Yeah, this
But
is a good
the
prospect.
all-time highs is depending on what's going on. Like I think all-time highs could be the start of crazy stuff too. Like you know, like the dude that does the Discord, he's always feeling like it's gonna be rejection,
Mm-hmm.
and I look at it more like
Twenty.
the price discovery. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah. Yeah, for
sometimes
sure.
and it's hard to sell an all-time high because you don't have support.
Yeah,
You don't
yeah.
have support, bro. Okay, let me see where we're at right now. Ooh, I came out here.
Did we hear? Yeah.
Big.
Still in the ORB though.
I'm taking probably a bit do kind of hate to, especially on the 700.
Yeah, I missed a 3 hour move on this shit. Stupid. And I said, it's good, probably for the jet. I didn't probably for the jet. And they did. And I was like, okay,
But
so I'm tough. But I'm trying to catch this the long move.
so you said the closest gap before the 15-minute candle even closed. Gotta close the gap.
You see this, how it bounced on the yellow?
Mm,
How it's going up on the yellow?
mm,
Set the 100, I think. So I thought it was gonna come around here. And then continue to
mm.
right tomorrow.
I think maybe continue up, but
Yeah, short term I should just roll it down and got out.
but winter is gonna be crazy. I think so.
Yeah.
And when it's crazy, that doesn't mean like sometimes it just starts to feel liquidity and then goes out the way. But like
Yeah.
you could want to take it up and just goes down just to take attention to liquidity. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know. I don't want to have. I would have had no risk on the table for loss unless something wild happens, like a huge spike. And would have been able to have some more upside potential, but at the same time, I was probably only made another couple bucks. Like, I need $2,000. Like, I'm not $2,000. Like,
No, I hear you.
this shit, like, couple bucks ain't gonna save it, bro. Like, no, I'm freaking out.
Yeah, I hear you.
Cause I'm just gonna get to the point where I'm like, that's why I want Ethereum to come down, cause I'll up Ethereum. I'll do the whole, it has to go to zero to liquidate me logic and put in something crazy, you know what I mean? But
Yeah, yeah.
I I have no idea when to go crazy on down 30. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No idea.
I like this right here.
But you trying to take it up, huh?
I'm taking QQQ to the upside, but for tomorrow, and this doesn't look promising right now. Well, tomorrow we got a long way to go. We can do it till tomorrow. That was dumb.
It could end the day back at the
Yeah.
back where it started.
Cause it's not moving
100
down
times.
much. It's not. I'd be pissed if it closed all this. I'd be really pissed. And it could.
That would be crazy.
It could.
I mean,
This
it
is
could.
yeah, it
That
could.
would be wild. Well,
It could. That claim is last week's
Low.
bottom. Yeah.
Yeah, I was talking about, remember that gap I was saying a while back that I wanted it to close, but pushing up much higher.
Yeah. But this is SPY on the 15th. So SPY is going up right here on the 15th. It's not going up. I should say it has a green candle.
Yeah,
It's not going up.
they do kind of move a little.
Yeah. But they both have this gap on the 15th.
Right now, doubling in value, and this is all on some reports that its newest pill, anti-obesity pill, has helped patients lose roughly as much weight as a rival treatment from Eli Lilly. So we got to bring in Sam Fazeli.
So this
Sam
is
is
let me
Bloomberg
see,
Intelligence
15.
Director of
We got
Research for Global
15.
Industries and Senior Pharmaceuticals.
So they both have that.
Sam,
Okay,
it
gap
feels
right
like,
here.
at least from my vantage point,
SPY took off first to close the gap, and I was like, oh shit, it's gonna follow suit.
dose of the obesity pill.
It
What do
did.
we know about
And I said that like right here before the ORB though. And I considered, but I was like, nah, I stick. And it did it. Which is stupid, but I'm trying to catch the bigger move.
That's what I'm trying to get to.
Trying to catch that bottom.
A decent big move. But
But that would work for me. I would have set it for that.
something I noticed though is last, oh, see the last part?
Yeah.
Last Friday, Nasdaq was kind of lagging behind Dow 30.
Mm-hmm.
Dow 30 kind of moved, had a bigger move first. Then Nasdaq kind of followed.
This was Friday.
Dow 30 had this, and then Nasdaq, even though it rejected hard, Nasdaq kind of slowly followed after it.
Right here.
See what time that is? That's, what is that big next blue candle?
This one.
What time is that? 6:45. What time is it? Okay, about the same time. Maybe I'm tripping. It felt like it moved quicker though in the beginning.
Sam, just going to the FDA. There's been
6:45. About the same.
Now this one was a 6:30. This ORB.
Yeah, but that's still a big move it just did.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I was gonna say it seems like today was the same situation. Dow 30 dropped crazy, made this candle, and it took a while for that one to come. But is that Dow 30 right now?
Yeah. Yeah, actually, man.
So is Nasdaq. Damn straight, just kept both of these.
No.
No, I took a little bit,
No.
but Nasdaq probably maybe 100 on 10. That's how it moves. My Nasdaq entry was,
Sheesh.
my Nasdaq entry was 706.
It's actually only down $1.66,
Yeah,
which is not too much. Only
it's not too
24%,
much.
26%.
I think if I would have kept my solid position in, I think I would only be up about 40 though. Wait, hold up. No, my entry was at 2577.
Mm.
25,771. If I would have kept it until now, I would probably made about, I think, like 60 something bucks. Now that I could use. I could use 60. Extra 40.
See this right here, this one, it closed this gap here. This one right here, closed the gap. And then shot up. So it didn't close this gap and shoot up, but it never reversed at 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, that's just my luck.
Do I keep holding it or do I keep chopping some
Stick
profits
with it,
off?
man.
'Cause
Everything we see is gonna miss a doji. Oh, good. Ooh, coffee. Oh, good. Try this new coffee bean. Mm.
okay, I'm holding it, bro. I'm just gonna
You gonna
hold
hold
it,
it?
and I'm gonna just
Don't know.
check